Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you like this video and these types of videos, please give this a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe. So today I'm going to be kind of unboxing with you guys a new luxury bag I got, and I'm going to be switching from my old purse to that new purse and showing you guys the accessories I got and kind of the specifics on that. So I'm super excited. So if you want to keep watching, then stay tuned. So first I want to show you guys the bag I'm currently using, which is the Marc Jacobs tag tote, I believe is what it's called. It's really simple. It's just like a bag like this, and it's plain on the back. It's very simple, which I liked, and then it's got the pretty logo right there. But what drew me to it the most was a lot of totes have, I wanted something kind of for school too, that can fit my iPad Pro in here, so I can like take that along with me, kind of just like a catch-all. But in the inside, it does have this large middle pocket that has a huge zipper, so I really enjoyed that. And then this logo and the interior is so cute. You can see that it has like Marc Jacobs like scattered throughout the inside of the bag, so I thought that was so darling. But I've had this since December, and it is getting pretty worn out. I don't even know what that is, a scuff on it. It's getting pretty like worn out and stuff, and I'm definitely going to use it for other things, but I don't want it to be my everyday anymore. It's kind of big, and I'm not in school anymore because it's summer. So since classes are not in session right now, I don't really need something this large. I mean, I do take my iPad with me everywhere, so we'll see how that goes. But basically right now, this is just getting too big because although I can carry it on my shoulder and have it like in the crook of my arm, I don't really carry it on my shoulder. I just carry it on the crook, so I wanted something a little smaller. So anyways, I've invested in a new bag, and I'm so excited to show you guys what that is. And then I'm going to be switching the contents from this bag and kind of cleaning it and putting it into the new bag. And I thought that would be something fun to film. So the new bag, I'm so excited. It is in this little dust bag, and I just got it literally like an hour ago. I did take it out of the box because it was really hard to unpackage, but it is actually not from The Real. I got it from Mercari, which is a luxury like resale app. I also use like Vestiaire Collective and sometimes Poshmark to look for some things like maybe a collar holder or belt or something like that if I can get it authenticated. But from Mercari, so the previous buyer must have gotten theirs from The Real because they didn't have the dust bag from Louis Vuitton. Take it out for you guys. So I got my first Speedy, and this is the Louis Vuitton Speedy 25 in the demier bin, and I'm so excited. It's so pretty. I got such a good deal on it, and I obviously wanted, everyone wants the bandolier style now because of the handle for it, to have it crossbody, and like it looks kind of big in person, but it is so small. I don't know if I can like, I don't know, it's the same width, but it's like a third of the size inside probably. Anyways, but the bandolier is way more expensive, and I knew that because of the canvas, I could kind of beat this up a little bit, so I just ordered a strap to attach to these two portions, which I've seen people do. I don't think it looks bad, so I'm gonna be doing that. But I'm so obsessed with it. It came in such good condition. It's really clean. The leather looks great. And the zipper, I was a little concerned about the zipper not, the zipper not zipping nicely, but it's a dream. It's like butter. So I'm really excited about that. And then the inside, you can see I do have a, what is that called? An organizer inside already. I ordered it the same day I ordered the bag so that it would be here on the same time. So I'd get this off Amazon. It's pretty nice. I've never used an organizer, so we'll see how I like that. And then, you know, it has the one pocket right here. But I mostly wanted to get an organizer because then I thought that it would keep my bag and the inside cleaner. And then that way, if I did want to resell this myself, I can, you know, the inside would be super clean and it won't be like touched by me because then I'll just have the organizer in there. So yeah, I love this so much, and I'm going to switch what's in here. And so I did get an organizer, like I said, and I will show you guys, I'll put that up on the screen somewhere, like what one I got specifically for this. It does fit pretty well. I'm a little bummed because it is a little smushed in here. It's a little tight for it to fit, but I don't know if you'll, like you can see it kind of bowing in, which is not great. So this is it, and it comes like folded up, and you just do that. So it has pockets, two pockets right here. It has a bigger slot right here to larger pockets in the inside and then like 3 smaller pockets. Like this is great for like lipstick or something. So I'm excited to get to use this, which again will keep it clean because the interior does have a couple marks that I think I could get out. I know you can see that right there. Yeah, that's from the previous owner and I think I can get that out, but otherwise it's like super clean. There's no like pen marks or anything like that. So yeah, I know some people are like, they like the slouchy look of this bag, but I don't. I like it to look more filled out or like more structured and like have a little more weight to it. Because when you hold this, it's kind of flimsy. I'm not gonna lie. I was like a little surprised, but it is canvas, not all leather, so that's why. And then I did also pick up a strap that's like a similar leather. It's not perfectly as dark. Like their leather is like insanely beautiful and like almost black. But this is like adjustable. And it has 2 clips on either end, so I can clip that onto there. So we'll be doing that next. So if you guys want to see me put in the organizer, put on the strap, and switch things out from my old purse to my new purse, then just keep watching. So I'm going to be putting in the organizer into the purse, which, like I said, unfortunately it is a little too big. So it does get a little smushed, which kind of stinks. But I'm going to put that in first, which makes a big difference on how it is shaped, which I like, because it's a little bit a little too flimsy right now. Then when I put that in and kind of widen it out, that's good. So then I can fill it and it looks, as you can see, it looks a little bit more filled and more substantial. The other thing I want to do is put on the strap I bought for it. So I'm gonna put that on the outside, this one, excuse my cat, and then the outside of this one, like that. So I can carry a crossbody as well, but still open it up. So I'm gonna show you guys what is in here and what I am actually going to take into the new purse and what I'm not. So firstly here, I do have my planner. Then I have, this won't go, this was just in there from last night, just a little hair scrunchie. Then I have this little Vera Bradley that I usually keep hair ties, hand sanitizer, and tampons in there. Then I have perfume from Scentbird, which is just like an emergency thing I use if I really forget to put anything on or like need a refresher. I have my mascara. I was getting ready in the car last night. My AirPods I have, which are really fun. I love this case. I got it from Target. Then I have some pins, a lighter. I have some medicine, which I do need to have with me at all times. I have Rolaids for tummy ache I had, and then in this main compartment I do have my Demi Bin 6-ring key holder, which I do love and use every day. And then so that will definitely be going in because it matches. And then I have this kind of off-brand wallet that I really enjoy as well. So it's like small enough, it's a great size. I am looking for a new one by Louis, but for now, this is great. And then in the middle compartment, I do have some more things. Let's see what I have in here. Some green tea, my glasses, which are really dirty, normal headphones if I am doing something where I don't want to use my AirPods. I always keep Carmex with me in every bag. And then I have my Apple Pencil because I always carry my iPad with me to work and stuff. So I am going to take some of these things and decide what I want and put them into the new purse together. So in here, in these little compartments, like I said, I definitely need my wallet in the main compartment. I definitely need my keys, which do match, which is awesome. I am going to need this feminine pouch, which can also fit in the main compartment. And then my AirPods are a must, which I'm going to try to put into one of these smaller pockets. That's great in there. And then my Carmex can possibly fit in this, you can't really see, but there's that middle pocket we talked about in the front for lipsticks. And then I think all 3 of the pens should go. I'm also gonna put these in a pocket because I don't want them to just be rolling around. And then I'm going to probably need the lighter at some point. I always keep this for emergencies. Other people always ask me for a lighter. I don't even use it that much. And then I do like to keep this green tea with me because I drink it every day. And my medicine. Let's try to fit these. And this planner is just in here because I was using it for something. I don't really need that every day, so it's not that big of a deal. Glasses I do need, which I usually have in a case that I don't think would fit in here really. Everything's a little smushed. Let's see. Oh, I can fit them in this side pocket. That'd be great. There we go. Yeah, I do like how organized that is. That's really awesome. And then the extra pair of headphones I like to keep around can go where the AirPods are. In there. And I think that's all I want to take with me. If I do want to fit the perfume, it definitely does fit. More could fit on top, but like organized perfectly. That's great. It's a good weight. And then my phone I'm using to film, so I can't really stick that in there. That will definitely easily fit on top. And I need my keys to like be on top because of how often I just run in and out of my car. So I probably just would throw that on top. That's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. It's not too stuffed. That's a good weight. And I could carry that on the crook of my arm and it wouldn't be too heavy. So that is awesome. So I'm gonna try to show you guys a little bit better how everything fits in here with better lighting. So all my medicine and stuff is right here. My headphones are there. And then on this side I have my pens, my glasses, my Carmex, and then in the middle I have the pouches that are organized. So everything fits really nicely, and the last thing that I would stick in here is my phone. And I really do like it. It turned out really great, and I will let you guys know updates on the organizer inside if I end up keeping that in there or just using it as a catch-all, and if I end up keeping on this strap. Thank you guys so much for watching me put this little guide together. I'm super excited to start using it, and I will definitely be doing a review. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can keep updated when I upload new videos about this bag.